Hey guys, Sarah Gaming here, and sorry I haven't been making videos lately. I've been waiting for my sister to answer me about that video of being boozled. I asked her today. She said we maybe can do it today, so I may be uploading another video today. And yeah, so there may be another video today of being boozled. Thing, and yeah, so there may be another being boozled video today, and then yeah. So there's that, and the Cubbies. You're a Cubs fan out there. Get ready because the Cubbies are beasting and feasting this year. I mean, they're not. What are they like? They're like 6-4 so far. I mean, when are they ever a better? When do they ever have more wins than losses? I mean, come on. When was that? How long has that been? Since like 2019 something. That's how long it's been since they've been to the World Series. But yeah, and look at that rain. Look at that rain out here. Look at rain. Which I probably can't really see it, but you may be able to. Just kind of try to get it if you want. Seeing some rain. Seeing rain out there. Just maybe still. Alright, it's raining. Pretty crappy Sunday. Yeah, pretty crappy. So, good for the Hawks, they're in the playoffs. Good for the Bulls, they're in the playoffs. And the Cubbies this year, World Series, let's go. Let's go. World Series year, let's go. So yeah, Chicago, my favorite Chicago teams are amazing this year, thank God. Let's see if the Bears can do it next year. If the Bears can do it next year, that means all my favorite Chicago teams are amazing. Because obviously, the Bears were horrible last year, but they're supposed to be better this year. I don't know about Super Bowl win, but definitely maybe playoffs. That's all I have to say, guys. And thanks for watching. I may be seeing you guys later, or tomorrow, or whenever. Because basically, I'm going every day, both of them every day. So yeah, guys, and I will see you all either today again, or I don't know, whenever I make my next video. Alright guys, Sarah Gaming out. No, that's a bad ending. It's a bad ending. Let me think of one. I don't know. I guess I'll just kind of end the video when I end it. Bye.